All right, today we're going to do a video of a 2014 Haas ST-35. Has a 12-station turret, Haas CNC control. Machine's also equipped with an LNS QUICKLOAD SERVO magazine bar feed. So as a chip conveyor, we're going to run the machine. Right now it's running at 500 RPM. That's 1000 RPM. That's 1300. Do a gear change. That's 150 in the low range. That's 300 in the low range. That's your tool setter. Then you have your parts catcher. I'm going to jog your axes. That's your Z-axis. Your X, both nice and quiet. See indexing of the turret. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.